姐姐 ，Will you attend my graduation ceremony? Of course, Becky. Who will attend Becky's graduation ceremony? The best answer is C. Becky's elder sister. Jill, is this your elder brother in the photo? 不是，那是我弟弟。Who is in the photo? The best answer is B. Jill's younger brother.
艾莉，这是你弟弟吗？是的 ，He is 3 years old. 你弟弟真可爱。Who are they talking about? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. Ellie's younger brother. Ellie, do you know the Los Angeles Lakers, the NBA team? 我哥哥很喜欢 Lakers, but I like Miami Heat. Who in Ellie's family likes the Los Angeles Lakers? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Ellie's older brother. I want to go dancing tonight. 姐姐，你去吗？好啊，艾莉。Who is going dancing? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Ellie and her older sister.